Hey guys, so I'm gonna buy half-inch ratchet and socket sets because since I have all the half-inch extensions and adapters and whatnot. And guys, I'm gonna get this and this. And everything that's half-inch drive, so I have all the half-inch stuff. Not so much, don't have to worry about quarter-inch drive stuff really. What I don't have to worry about. I need only quarter-inch and half-inch stuff. Pretty much everything else I really don't have to worry about. But then the stuff I'm gonna get this week is the US General magnetic stuff, which is like 20% off because I'm inside track member. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live to make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes videos to where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. Oh, and on top of that, we'll have to get a bunch of these Pittsburgh socket rails, 3/8 and quarter-inch and half-inch. Probably one of each would be good enough. And possibly new tools, I don't know. But bye guys, peace, I'm out. Then something else guys, I'm probably going to be buying a bunch of other things.